Okay, year 8, we are going to start the sequencing project by creating a drum pattern, and we're going to use what's called a sequencer to generate our own drum track. So the first thing you'll have is this screen here, and it asks you to select a track type, and we always go for software instrument. So we click create there, and that will bring up our main interface. Now by default it's always classic electric piano, so we want to change that to an electronic drum kit. You do that by going over to the software instrument library, and you can see it over here on the left hand side. Now if you ever want to bring this up while you're working, you just have to press that button there. But be warned, it will change the track that you're currently on, so make sure that you always open up a new track before changing the instrument there. So we're going to go to electronic drum kit, and we're going to give you a few options for this, but one of them will be Atlanta, so I'm going to use the Atlanta kit here. So we've got electronic drum kits, we've got Atlanta, and we're ready to start recording our pattern. So to bring up the sequencer, you hold down Control on the keyboard and you click the mouse, and that will bring up this drop down menu. We're not using MIDI region, we're going to use Create Pattern region. Click that, and that will bring up this very colourful looking step sequencer. Now hopefully you can see that it's divided into 4 columns, and you've got 4 little boxes in every column, and they represent semiquavers. So if I turn on my sequencer, which is this button here, that has a little kind of loudspeaker on it, it will turn the sequencer on so I can hear what I'm putting in. And I'm going to simply put that in. So that's basically crotchets. So I've got my kick drum on every beat. And I'm going to put a snare drum on every 2nd and 4th beat alongside this. Like that. And I might just keep it like that for now. Now if you look above, you can see that everything I've been doing here is now on the screen. So what I might want to do is copy all of that over, paste it. If I click on this box, I can develop my drum track further. So at the moment I've just got kick and snare, a bit boring. Let's add a bit of hi-hat. I'm going to add an open hi-hat at the end to make it interesting. So let's have a listen to that. There you go. Then I could do the same, copy that, paste it over, add even more, etc, etc. Now if there's a certain part of the song that you really like and you want it to go for a little bit longer, go to the top right, and if you see that little circular thing there, click, hold down, and then you can loop it for as long as you want. So there we go. That's how to use the beat sequencer.